Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me in another video. In today's video I'm drawing a simple galaxy with soft pastels on Pastelmat. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this drawing, keep on watching. A big thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Skillshare is an online learning community with over 17,000 classes available in design, photography and more. And these classes are all made by experts in their field. You can get access to these with a premium membership. I was navigating through the website and I saw some great pastel tutorials both in oil pastels and chalk pastels. So if you're interested in learning more about these, I'd recommend the Intro to Pastels course by Karen Kyoka. So that's really fun. There's so much available, all kinds of different styles, different niches. So yeah, it's really affordable as well. You can get a premium membership for a bit less than $10 a month. But I'm also providing you with my personal link. It's in the description below. When you sign up through that link, you get 2 months of Skillshare for only 99 cents. Only the first 500 people to sign up will get those 2 months for 99 cents. So be fast, and I really hope you enjoy it. So to talk a little bit about my drawing, before I started this one, I actually started another one, but I completely ruined it. I ruined the paper, so I had to throw it in the bin, and that's something I don't really do a lot actually, but I was really frustrated, so I just threw it away, and then I started this one. So the tip for this video would be to not get frustrated about your work, or if you do, to just take a break and start again, or to keep working on your drawing until it actually looks how you want it to look. So that's my tip for this video. Let me know in the comments below what you find difficult to draw or what you find a difficult medium to work with. I'd be really interested in that, so let me know below. And this drawing took me about 30 minutes to complete, so it was pretty fast. So that's really fun to practice if you want to learn how to draw with pastels. I would recommend to draw skies and galaxies because you get a nice result really fast. So after I put in all the base layers, I finally added the stars by just tapping a white pastel onto the paper, and I made sure to keep the tip pretty sharp so that you really get a round star and not some weird kind of shape. And after that, the drawing was finished. So I really hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think of it. Give it a like if you liked it. And I'll always post the results of my videos, of my drawings, on Instagram and Facebook. So check those out in the description. Don't forget to check out the Skillshare link as well. That's the first link in the description below. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.